Ayan. Ganda pa rin ng boses kahit created niya. So, kahit maglungkot tayo, may mga dahilan pa rin tayo para maramdaman ng Pasko. May mga pinagdadaanan man tayo mabigat. May pinagdadaanan man tayong sunod-sunod na problema. Tandaan natin, lagi tayo bibigyan ni Jesus Christ ng dahilan ngumiti. Ako, masaya ako maghapon, tapos biglang, alam mo yung roller coaster ride, yung nararamdaman ko today. Yung masaya sa sports fest, biglang naging malungkot kasi may mga nagkasakit. Nagkasakit yung anak ko, panganay, pero trabaho lang, tuloy ang buhay. Kasi ito nga, nandito ako sa mall, na-encounter ko si Jose Marichan. Kaya tapos, tungkol sa ano yung mga kanta niya, so nakaka-relax. So guys, tandaan natin, every gising is a blessing.
Once again, thank you to Jose Marichan and to our chief conductor.
Love.
Merry Christmas, one and all. Merry Christmas. God bless you. God bless our beloved country, the Philippines. Thank you. And good night. Good night.
We have witnessed the spirit of Filipino Christmas come alive as our tree shines brightly, filling our hearts with joy and warmth. From all of us here at SM North EDSA, we wish you a Merry Christmas, filled with love, laughter, and cherished memories. Thank you, and good night.
Come on and celebrate Christmas, celebrate Christmas. Incredible photo to see, loving Christmas with shining trees, dancing bright like Yuletide balls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Let's bring up our lists and come to buy a gift. Here at SM Malls, Christmas can't get better than this. It's the happiest month to me, perfect for all, for you and for me. Joyful season and all. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls.
Thank you.